Online dating is popular, and for a good reason. A lot of people have met their mate using online dating sites, but a lot of people are still looking. In this series, I'll go over things to help you amp up your profile and things to be wary of. As far as finding the right site, well, that depends on what you're into. There are regular dating sites for everyone, like Match.com, eHarmony, OkCupid, Plenty of Fish, Lava Life, and even Yahoo Personals. All of these sites allow you to easily sign up, create your profile, and start looking for your match. Some of these sites are free, like OkCupid and Lava Life, and Yahoo Personals. And sites like eHarmony and Match.com allow you to use certain features for free, but offer premium services for free. Now, if you're looking for someone with specific interests that you may have, there may be a dating site that caters to you personally. Are you a vegan or vegetarian? Well, then there's planetearthsingles.com, veggieconnection.com, and veggiedate.com. If you're a Star Trek fanatic, then there's trekpassions.com. Maybe you're a farmer and you only want to date another farmer, then check out farmersonly.com. And if your hobby is birdwatching, well, of course there's a dating site for you, birdwatcherbuddy.com. My point is that there's something out there for everyone, so think about what you love and start Googling to see if there's a dating site that's made just for you. Thanks for watching, and don't miss the next episode in the Finding Love online series.